喂，好似都有白蟻啊嘛？
硬啲有啦，嗱，嗰個蟻竇咧，大咗。
係啊，幾大個
邊度竇啊
咦？
嗰個邊個蟻竇啦？
嚇？
嗰個啊，嗰個蟻竇啊，
哇，嗰個犀利！
邊度啊？
嗰個咪蟻竇啊？
新開嚟嗰個，幾大個啊？
嗰個竇啊，
好犀利啊！
好大個蟻竇喺度啊！
哎呀，新開嚟。
哎呀！
Remember the attic? Up until now, I haven't talked much about this space, except to point out in an earlier episode that there was a termite colony up there. Located inside a downstairs bedroom, above the hallway, it perplexed me. You might recall my crazy idea to use it as an extra sleeping space, as I had seen attics used in American homes. But I'm glad Sifu and my cousin talked me out of it. It wasn't practical. There's no staircase to reach it. The only way to climb up there is to use the movable wooden ladder. Not safe. So I pushed it to the back of my mind. Still, I often thought of what to do with it. It made the downstairs bedroom look very odd. Two of my nieces and nephews each have an attic in their bedroom, and they turned them into neat, cozy private spaces that they could use for some alone time. But they had big windows in their bedrooms for lighting. This one doesn't. I didn't know what to do with it, but I was determined to make it airy and as bright as I could, to stop termites from returning to this dark and damp space. That's why I put in a second sky window above the staircase behind this bedroom, and planned to use screens with movable panels in the back for the wall next to the staircase, hoping it would shine sunlight into the room and the attic. Now that work on the other, more urgent parts of the house have been done, it's time to think about how to make this space look nicer. I first looked up on Google how attics were used in the past. I learned that they were primarily used for storage of mostly surplus food supplies, seeds, and seasonal farming equipment. But we weren't farmers, and there wasn't flooding in the neighborhood as far as I knew, so our attic probably wasn't used to store grain and farming equipment. According to information I found online, the attic is sometimes referred to as the Ting Xin, or center hall, or heart of the hall. I also learned that unmarried daughters would often sleep and work on handicrafts in these quiet private quarters. I imagined they could still eavesdrop on adult conversation and peek out into the living room from the lattice panel above the wooden screens. I immediately recorded a message asking my eldest surviving aunt if she remembered how the attic was used. She said it was used to store thick winter blankets, and that the downstairs bedroom was used by my grandparents, whereas the upstairs bedroom and living room were for her and her siblings. After we had moved to the US, the neighborhood committee that used our house for recreational activities, such as playing mahjong, stored a lot of our belongings up there, including what I considered treasures, the big wok used to cook pig feed, and my parents' wedding gift.
自新婚之喜啊！哎呀，好有價值啊！你
個褸仔咁樣啦，不過你要呢乜嘢都可以塞到上去。你唔要呢，你睇佢空中鋪咗咧。
因為我要咧，我有張梯啊，嗰啲先可以爬到上面嘅。
你扮張梯喺度，扮咗張凳梯活動㗎嘛。
我要入落去咁樣有張床喺度。
咪閂咗門就擺上去咯。
咁嗰張梯擺邊度？擺嗰度啊？
係啊，你嗰張梯你拎出去後門擺啦，唔一定擺喺度做啊。
每次搬入過搬來啊。
咁你先把竹梯好輕嘅。
其實嗰張梯係咪我哋㗎？
係喺呢度啊，唔知係咪你㗎？
係啊，本應就喺嗰度啊。
係啊。
哦，咁已經好耐有張梯喺度㗎啦。
上邊嗰啲都冇咯。
OK。咁你嘅意思即係話呢個保褸佢就好多地方擺下啦。
咁咪啦，你唔使擔心，如果啲篋啊咩面紙乜嘢都要放晒上去。
咁又
嗰度都要換嘅，呢個要翻都要成分嘅。
嗰啲木爛晒啦。爛晒，哦！你上次趴去睇。
即係樹上面裝嚟㗎嘛。
哦。
即係你攞翻都要重新換嗰啲啦，嗰個
換晒三塊木。
啊。
啊！
10年都要啊，
唔係嗱，但係我又唔中意有個窿咁樣嚇，又要油窗簾咯喎，又要油窗簾。3個窗簾，
你咪整個唔係，咪就係封板嗰陣，你要封晒啲之後整對門入就得啦，你唔係整個窿咯。
但開門都好麻煩，要擺啲擺呀，都好麻煩嘅喎，都可以擺到好多嘢。
擺到好多嘢啦，唉，咩篋都放晒啦。
Regardless of what it was used for in the past, I decided to keep the attic after some thoughts. That's because there are no closets in this house or in most traditional Chinese houses, and the attic might be the only space to store things. This is how it looked after the workers tore down the old second floor, leaving only this small wall to the right. After they rebuilt the second floor, they used the leftover planks to rebuild the attic as well. Now I have to figure out how to enclose it. Because I don't want a gaping hole in the room. Which of these designs do you like? Please let me know. I simply can't decide right now. If you like this episode, please tap the like and subscribe icons and share this video. I would love to hear what you think of the attic and how I should use it and enclose it. Have a great weekend. See you next week.